Hi, this is Heather with Lily Bits, and this is our video of Ava's newborn puppies. They're about 24 hours old now. And let's see what we have. Right here is a little black and white girl. Mama's gonna clean her up. And here is a little golden white girl. And who's under here? Well, that's the same little black and white girl. Here we go. Oops. And here's another little golden white girl. She has little spots on the back. Okay. Good girl, Ava. Let me come over here. And this is the boy. He has a full black saddle on his back. He's the only boy. He has his work cut out for him with 4 sisters. And this is... Hi, Ava. This is the littlest girl. And she is nursing, so I'm not going to interrupt her, but you can already see, can you see? She's got a little wave starting to her coat. So, that's Ava's litter. Say goodbye, Ava. And she ends with a wink, just like Maggie did once. Thanks so much.